Have you ever wondered how to build a herb spiral garden? Welcome to the fascinating world of spiral gardens, a space-saving, aromatic wonder that puts a variety of herbs right at your fingertips. Well, you're in luck because today we're going to guide you through each step to create your very own herb spiral garden. Before we start, you need to gather all the necessary materials. Essential items include stones or bricks for structure, compost and topsoil for nourishment, cardboard for layering, and of course, a selection of your favorite herbs. Once you have all these materials ready, you can start building your herb spiral garden. Now that you've gathered all the materials, it's time to start building. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to pick the perfect spot for your herb spiral garden. Look for a location that gets a good mix of sun and shade throughout the day. Next, lay out your spiral design using either stones or bricks, starting from the center and working your way outwards. This will form the foundation of your garden. The next step is layering your materials. Start with a layer of cardboard at the bottom, followed by straw, manure, compost, and finally soil. Each layer serves a unique purpose, helping to create a nutrient-rich environment for your herbs. Finally, it's planting time. Choose a variety of herbs and arrange them according to their sunlight and water needs. Remember, those that need more sun and less water should go at the top, while those that need more water and less sun should be planted at the bottom. With some patience and care, your herb spiral garden will be ready in no time. And there you have it, your very own herb spiral garden. Just think, in a few simple steps, you've transformed an ordinary space into a thriving, aromatic haven. It's not only an aesthetically pleasing addition to your garden, but also a practical one. The process is easy, fulfilling, and full of rewards, so why not try it for yourself? Create something beautiful, something alive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.